Hello, how are you? Today we learn lesson 3 in chapter 1 that talk about assignment statement. Assignment statement: it is assigning a value to a constant or variable. It is a statement that has two sides, right hand side and left hand side, separated by the assignment operator, equals. It takes the value on the right side of the assignment operator, equals, and stores it in the variable or constant on the left, as in the following example: area equals 5 times 3. It is seen from the code that the result of multiplying two numbers 5 and 3 has been assigned to the variable area. In the left side we write variable and. In assignment operator right equals, in right side we write abstract value, for example a equals 5. We design this form and add text box and insert the radio button in this form. Let's get to know the code window and see what you write in it for each button. We added in the form, and here we will write the base of variables in the text box because the name and age are always changing after we announce the variables. We will start assigning to each text box and a button we assign it a specific value. There are three types of errors. Number 1. Syntax errors. They are errors in the common syntax commands of the language. For example, din x as single, the variable x was declared but there is a mistake in writing the word dim. Const x as single, the constant x was declared but its value is not assigned during the declaration. This type of error is easy to detect because the id helps us, as it does not allow any error of this type which displays the syntax of any command as you type it. Logic error: it happens when we get incorrect results after executing the program because of the wrong formulating arithmetic or logic expressions. On calculating the area of a circle, we use the following code: dim radius as single, const x as single equals 22.7, radius equals text box 1. Text label 2. Text equals x plus radius 2. On running the program, it will not give any error messages, it will give the wrong result, because we used sign, plus, instead of an asterisk. To overcome this type of error, you must review the written code, and test the program with data already validated, to be sure there are no errors of this type. Logic error. Runtime errors. And these errors are discovered while running the program, for example when declaring a variable of type byte and during the program running, a value that is less than or greater than the allowable range is given, that is less than 0, or greater than 255, so an error appears during the run, meaning that the value is out of range, and these errors are discovered while running the program. For example when declaring a variable of type byte and during the program running, a value that is less than or greater than the allowable range is given, that is less than 0, or greater than 255, so an error appears during the run, meaning that the value is out of range.